Ripe argan fruits fall from the tree and then goats eat them and they poop out the seeds. Directly, are we applying the poop on our faces? Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Manvi and today we are going to talk about Indian skincare. Before starting, I just want to say that I have nothing on my face, I have nothing on my skin except some lip tint on my lips. This is from Face Shop Pink Matte and some eyeliner and that's it. I have some skincare on my skin and nothing else. Okay, now we should start and I'm gonna start with AHA and BHA peel from Ordinary. It's so popular, very popular outside. Now AHA BHA peeling solution is very potent. AHA alpha hydroxy acids and BHA beta hydroxy acids. Commonly known alpha hydroxy acids are glycolic acid and lactic acid, and BHAs are like salicylic acid, which is used in treatment of acne. This peeling solution is used in evenly exfoliate your skin, and we used to use physical scrubs initially back in the days, but now we use chemical peels. Peels are used to exfoliate meaning gently remove the dead skin cells, and it does not form tears on your face like the physical scrubs do. So this one is more safe, but this peeling solution is very potent. So that's why I have a dupe for you, which is milder version of AHA BHA, but also very effective, because I burned my skin right here on my left cheek somewhere and it's not still healed. So please make sure that you exfoliate your skin once a week and don't leave it more than 5 minutes, especially for me, or even if you are a sensitive skin type. I'm normal and I have oily T-zone and still it burned me. So make sure that you leave it only for 5 minutes and not more than that. Now let's talk about Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel, and this peeling solution is a milder version of Ordinary's AHA BHA peel, and I like how gentle it is. It's like cream based. This lotion peel is designed to deliver alpha hydroxy acids, also known as fruit acids, in a very slow and controlled manner so that you don't over exfoliate your skin. And it also has calendula along with wheat and oat sugars, which is very hydrating for your skin. And it also has pomegranate extracts, which has agalic acid, which prevents or inhibits the melanin synthesis. Melanin is a pigment which gives color to your skin, but sometimes it can misbehave and cause hyperpigmentation and brown spots. So this is really good for that. Now my personal experience with this peeling solution is that it did not burn my skin. I've used it several times and it did not burn, but it also removed my whiteheads and blackheads. So if you're somebody who's suffering from whiteheads, then try this peel. It works, and it also gave me instant glow. Now my next favorite skincare product is pixiglowtonic. This glow tonic started my love for glycolic acid. It has 5% glycolic acid. Now before starting, I want to talk about glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is a miracle ingredient. My skin personally loves some glycolic acid. It reduces hyperpigmentation and it fades the brown spots caused by UV rays and sun damage, and it is also going to enhance the collagen production in your skin and makes your skin healthier and firmer, and it gently exfoliates your skin. It's naturally found in grapes, sugarcane juice and sugar beet. And don't forget to use sunscreen after using it. It evenly exfoliates your skin by gently lifting the dead skin cells from your skin and revealing the new skin, healthier skin. Last, if your skin is very sensitive, highly sensitive or rosacea prone, then don't use it. Use a BHA. I use pixiglowtonic twice a week in my night skincare routine and the glow is undeniable. So make sure you use it twice a week and not more than that, because it's very potent. And make sure that you apply a very soothing serum and moisturizer after this. Now let's talk about the dupe of pixiglowtonic, and this is Gulab and Glycolic Toner by Dr. Sheth. Now both of these have glycolic acid in it and aloe vera, but the glycolic acid in Dr. Sheth's toner is the milder version of pixiglowtonic, and I can use it every day. I like to use it every day in my night skincare routine, and it's very gentle, very soothing, but it does like tingle and irritates your skin for just few seconds, and when it settles into your face, it gives that glow. But both of these have one drawback, that is perfume. Both of these have perfumes, so if you're someone who is allergic to perfumes, do not try it. We are also going step by step, like first you exfoliate your skin, then you apply toner, and I'm gonna apply this toner on my skin, Gulab and Glycolic toner. And then after this we will apply the serum. That's the second step of skincare. And for serum, I have this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Let's talk about the ingredients first, because ANR has some unique ingredients like ferment lysate, which is obtained from a gram-positive bacteria, and it is a probiotic ingredient which increases the synthesis of your epidermal layer of your skin, and it makes your skin healthier and shiny. It also improves your skin barrier function, so I would highly recommend that once you use a glycolic acid toner, you use something like this, which improves and makes your skin healthy. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, and caffeine, which is an antioxidant, and it also has squalene, which is a dry oil, non-comedogenic dry oil, and it is fragrance essential oil free. Now ANR gives you very subtle glow. It's not like glycolic acid toners or pixiglowtonic, because it has glycolic acid which removes your dead skin cells. So the result of using glycolic acids is that you see an instant glow, like you can see the glow just then only after using this toner. But with this actually enhances your skin repair, which is also very important, because sometimes you can over exfoliate your skin. I can tell you that if you're using glycolic acid in your skincare routine, you will over exfoliate. I have done that, so you will need something like this. I've been trying ANR for quite some time now, like approximately a year, and I can say that I actually like this serum. And after trying so many of serums, I usually get back to it, so it must be something good. But if you cannot afford this serum, because let's be honest, it's very expensive, then I would highly recommend that you go for drsheth Cica and Ceramide serum. Now both of these serums are quite different in terms of their ingredients and their consistency. This is a very lightweight oil-based serum, and this one is a lightweight cream-based serum, but the function of both of these serums are very similar. That is to enhance your skin barrier and also repair your skin and heal your skin. So I'm just gonna apply this serum because this is the second step of skincare, and always make sure that you use very light hand, no pressure. Gently massage it into your skin and the rest of it on your neck. Now the next and last step of skincare routine is moisturizing your skin, and for moisturizer I have Clinique moisturizer, which is the silkiest moisturizer out there in the market. It's fragrance free and the ingredients are so amazing. It has hyaluronic acid and also green tea leaf extracts, which is an antioxidant and a miracle ingredient. Now the dupe of Clinique moisturizer I have is this moisturizer by Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and both of these are very similar even in ingredients. This one has hyaluronic acid and this one has betaine, which is also a humectant. This one has green tea leaf extracts and this one also has green tea leaf extracts, and this one has dimethicone, which is a form of silicone, so it's not silicone free, but this one is silicone free. But this one has no fragrance and this one has fragrance. So it's totally up to you what you decide and what you choose. But personally, I just love this moisturizer for my night skincare routine, and for my day skincare routine, Clinique moisturizer. Like, it's the silkiest moisturizer out there. When you open it, you open a jar of nature and freshness. Now it also has glycolic acid in it, so that's why I generally recommend this, using it in your night skincare routine. Now Plum Green Tea moisturizer also has one more special ingredient, super superstar ingredient, that is argan oil, also known as liquid gold of Morocco. Argan oil comes from the kernel of argan fruit, and the traditional process of collecting the oil from this fruit is very unique. Ripe argan fruits fall from the tree and then goats eat them and they poop out the seeds, and these seeds are collected and smashed to get out the kernels, and the oil is pressed out of these kernels. So indirectly, are we applying the poop on our faces? Green tea is also a superstar ingredient, and the active part of green tea extract is catechins, and it is anti-inflammatory and it is antioxidant, and it is also used in so many of skin diseases like dermatitis, acne, rosacea. And yeah guys, so I will see you on next Sunday. Bye, toodles.